What's up, guys? This is David here at Paisa Built. So we're gonna try this again. We're gonna start creating some content for you guys, show you guys what we do, show you how the brand is going, and just what's going on with our life. So hopefully we can create some good content for you guys, and you guys can watch it and tell me what you guys think. So for today, we can go ahead and start doing some rock lights on this 2015 GMC Sierra, owned by my friend Andres, also known as Papaya. So we got the truck right here. Ahí está el placazo. So I'm gonna start removing the wheels for the front, and then tomorrow I'll finish up with the back. But we're gonna go ahead and remove those and figure out the location for the rock lights. So what I'm thinking is, up front, I'm gonna probably put one here and one here. The point is for all the light to come here and shine the wheel. So let's figure this out. So I went ahead and put this one here like this, and this one over there. So look, hopefully this one shines here and this one shines here. No, hombre, mi compa Papaya le vale verga. Ya no trae ni plástico acá. O sea, así andamos poniéndole luces. If this isn't bright, yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Look at that. Only two of them. So it's getting a little bit dark. We're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Tomorrow we'll go ahead and do the back, finish all the wiring, put a switch. At the same time, I have this one here. I gotta do wrap. Everything white is going silver, like that, like our original color. So gotta get this done within 2 days, and then this one within 2 days. So it sounds like it's gonna be some. Well, I'm gonna start this one in a bit. I'm gonna do this overnight, see how much I can get through. But this one will wait till tomorrow. Alrighty, guys. So today's is day number 2. We're gonna go ahead and finish up the rock lights in the back, finish up the wiring, put a switch. But while I am doing that, we have Charlie GT ZH80s. We're gonna switch out the low beams, and we're gonna add the fogs, and give the truck the proper lighting, because you can't see shit in this. And then with the 35 or 20%, no ves ni madres. Mi compa es un poquito camera shy, pero ahí está jalando el güey. Pero if you are around the Albuquerque area or anywhere, hit him up and then he'll ship you the lights or install. El pinche 6.2. So we got eBay lights over here on the left, and we got HID on the right. We got this little... Papaya, si estás viendo este video, ¿qué estabas pensando? Mira. Hopefully you can see on the camera, but... Algo bien. Alright guys, so I got a little bit busy trying to install them because it's already nighttime. It's like right now it's about 10, so just want to kind of get ahead of it. So we finished up the back ones. We just put 2 in the back as well, and these things are bright. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys this one. I got the wheel on this side. I'm about to put it on. But damn, look at that. The front's not wired up yet. I'll do that tomorrow. That looks good. What do you guys think? You think we should have gone with wheel rings, or the rock lights is good? This isn't your style. Just let me know. Something. Not a lot of drop trucks run lights, but I think it's gonna look pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and put the wheels back on, and I think next time I show you nighttime, it'll be loaded up on the trailer, or we'll get some rolling videos.